How to export audio in high quality formats on Lalal.ai. First of all, open your browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, upload the audio file you want to process by clicking on the Select Files button and choosing your file. After the file is uploaded, Lalal.ai will process it and separate the vocals and instrumental using its advanced AI technology. Once the processing is complete, you will see the preview section where you can listen to the separated tracks. Below the preview, click on Split in Full. Then, it will prepare file and will take few moments. After that, click on Get Split Files to download the file. Here you can select the audio format you want to export. Lalal.ai offers several high-quality audio formats including MP3, WAV, FLAC, AIFF, AAC, and OGG. Choose the format that best suits your need. For the highest quality, WAV and FLAC are recommended. After selecting your desired format, click the download button to save the file to your device. Note that downloading is only available after upgrading your account. And that's it. Now you know how to export audio in high quality formats on Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.